45, the blight came black, turned all the spuds to rot in the sack. But the ship sailed heavy with grain and beef, while the workhouse gate screamed no relief. It's God's own hand, the landlords cried as they burned the cottages, starved us inside. The Queen's got a plan, but it's not for you. Roar, oh, the perfect crime. Ledgers and ledgers and killing with time. Oh, the world looked away, while the empire made sure we'd all decay. Trevelyan's pen wrote the hunger in ink. Let them die quiet, no meat, no drink. Ottomans begged to take our gold, but the crown said no, let the market hold. A million graves in the devil's math, 2 million more on the coffin ship's path. And the world just watched as they called it fate, but genocide don't need a gas chamber's gate. Oh, the perfect crime. History's written by the butcher's line. Oh, they thought we'd forget, but the land still screams. An Gorta Mór, but the famine's a lie. The hunger was built, and they watched us die.